Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Open settings and go straight to accessibility so you don't waste time. Turn Talkback on and grant microphone and storage permissions. This allows voice guidance and sound feedback to work correctly. Once done, practice the core gestures. Single tap to focus, double tap to activate, and two-finger scroll to move pages. Make sure to disable any third-party launcher temporarily because launchers can override gestures. These first actions establish a clean baseline, so the fixes you apply later actually take effect. Now you'll fix common corruption and conflicts. Go to Apps, find Talkback, and clear cache and storage to remove bad settings that block speech. If problems persist, update or uninstall and reinstall Talkback from the Play Store, then reboot the phone. Restarts apply system changes reliably. Next, inspect accessibility shortcuts and any accessibility services. Disable extras that might hijack gestures. Make sure Talkback is the active service. These steps rebuild the app state and eliminate competing services that commonly break behavior. Finish by validating functionality. Navigate menus and run the Talkback tutorial so you confirm speech, gestures, and voice volume are correct. If odd behavior remains, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. If Talkback works there, uninstall recent apps. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset because system corruption can persist otherwise. If none of this helps, contact Samsung support or run Samsung members' diagnostics. They can push firmware fixes or advise a repair. One key tip: always.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.